You are about to manifest large sums of money. Here are 3 methods that work like magic. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Reminding you to be sure and click the bell icon, subscribe to our channel. We're here 5 days a week to empower your life. This is 2020, and we are absolutely excited. We're motivated. And I have to say this, many of you are going to go from wherever you're at right now to wherever you desire to be financially. Money is about to come into your life quickly, easily, and without effort. So first, I'd like to share with you the concept of a financial prayer. A financial prayer, most people pray by, I wish I had this, if only I had that, or I hope this doesn't happen. And of course, that's the next thing to happen, right? I hope this doesn't happen. In other words, high flyers, we focus on what we don't want, and we focus on it in a way that pulls it toward us. In other words, what we vibrate as, what our resonance is what we attract into our life. So when you have these negative prayers, and oftentimes they're not even formal prayers, they're just thoughts that are going through your mind all day long. But you hear people, please keep us from this. Don't let this happen. Please, I don't want this to happen. Don't let this happen. And of course, that's the opposite of how the law of attraction, the universe, God works. It's when you put yourself in harmony with what you desire and you become in alignment with the universe that your magical prayer, or I'm going to call it a magical invocation, actually works, and it works fast. Now, high flyers, a lot of people think that all they have to do is pray and say a few affirmations. I am rich, I am rich, I am rich. And money will just flow from the heavens into their pocket. And they forget that within their own subconscious mind is a gatekeeper. And this gatekeeper is filled with fears, doubts, and counterintentions. And unless you clear yourself of these fears, doubts, and counterintentions, the energy of money and prosperity and wealth simply are not going to flow into your life. I remember I was working on a book. It took me 20 years to write a simple book on healing. It's called the Ruach Healing Method, Magical Energy Healing. And it's a book that is fairly complex, but it deals with energy healing. I struggled. I rewrote the book 20 times. And then one day, I was watching an interview with Dr. Wayne Dyer, and he says, I never have problems writing. I never have writer's block. I simply put up the title in front of me of what I desire, and then I just start writing. I just start going. I'm going, and I go 2, 3, 4 hours a day. And he says, I don't have any counterintentions, any limitations. And I went through my own mind, and I realized that I had all kinds of fears. I was worried about what people would think. I was worried if they would use it right. I was worried if it would sell. I was worried if people would use it in the wrong way. I would, it was just worry, fear. And that is what stops most of the money from coming into your life. Now, in this case, it stopped me from writing a book that took me 20 years. I should have been able to write it in a year, but it took me 20 years. Once you clear yourself of these counter intentions, then all of a sudden the energy, or in your case, in my case, money, becomes easily and effortlessly flowing into your life and my life. And it's a wonderful thing and it feels good. I love the vibration of money. Say it right now. I love the vibration of money. Okay, so here is your invocation. And you can call it a prayer, but I prefer the term invocation, which means to invoke the spirit of prosperity, the spirit of money, the spirit of wealth into my being and into my life. Say the prayer with me. Dear universe, I invoke the vibration of unexpected money flowing into my life today. High flyers, that's an incredible invocation. I invoke. I invoke. I am pulling it. I'm not hoping. I'm not wishing. I'm not wondering. I invoke the vibration. I'm not talking about money. I'm talking about the vibration, because the vibration is what puts me into alignment with the money. Of unexpected money. Unexpected. In other words, I didn't expect this money. Where did it come from? And it's a large sum. Unexpected money flowing into my life today. I'm not talking about a week from now, a month from now, a year from now. I'm talking about today. Dear universe, I invoke the vibration of unexpected money flowing into my life today. Now, if you will say that invocation 3 times, you will begin to experience an increase of money flow. And you won't know exactly where or how the money is flowing into your life, but it will begin flowing. You know, I love the vibration of money, and I know you do too. So the second thing that we want to say is, I receive with love and gratitude. I receive with love and gratitude. So you say the invocation, you see the money coming easily and effortlessly into your life. You believe it totally without doubt, without apprehension, and then you say, I receive, as if it's already coming into your wallet. There it is. There it is in your wallet. I receive with love, with your heart, with your passion, with your joy and gratitude. And then you end your invocation with, as it is desired, so shall it be, or so it is. So you can say amen if you'd like, or whatever you normally say, but I say, as it is desired, as I have desired, so it is. It is. My desires and reality are in alignment. They are in perfect alignment. And money is now flowing into my life today. So high flyers, this is beyond wanting. This is beyond being open. A lot of times people will say, you just need to be open to it. You just need to open up to it. This is beyond being open. This is beyond wanting. This is tapping into source energy, the God force energy, and bringing it into your life at the frequency of unexpected money and wealth. Now, high flyers, what I like about this particular invocation is it puts you in alignment. It attunes you to receiving. It puts you in perfect alignment with reception energy. Now, here's another way to perform the same invocation. So every night before you go to bed, high flyers, you can take a glass of water, such as this, or you can take a picture of water if you'd like, and you just simply say, you speak into the water. You speak into the water. Dear universe, I invoke the vibration of unexpected money flowing into my life. I receive with love and gratitude. As it is desired, so it is. And then you put this in the refrigerator. And the next morning, you drink it down. It even tastes better. Anyway, you're going to like this method because it's very, very powerful and it works from the inside out because most of your body is made from water. So you are attuning this water to the vibration of money, to the reception of money, and then you're consuming it the next morning. Well, high flyers, an easy method, an enjoyable method of both clearing your energy field and using this special invocational prayer is through shamanic tapping. So simply begin tapping. Dear universe, I invoke the vibration of unexpected money flowing into my life. Dear universe, I invoke the vibration of unexpected money flowing in my life today. Dear universe, I invoke the vibration of unexpected money flowing into my life today. Dear universe, I invoke the vibration of unexpected money flowing in my life today. Dear universe, I invoke the vibration of unexpected money flowing into my life today. Dear universe, I invoke the vibration of unexpected money flowing into my life today. And now we just rub our hands together. And for this, I'd like you to visualize some beautiful, beautiful golden energy, a golden ball of light. And simply create it between your hands, a golden ball of light. If you don't feel it, believe it. Some people see it, some people feel it. I'm one of those people that tend to feel it. And just stretch out the energy and then speak it right into the ball. Dear universe, I invoke the vibration of unexpected money flowing into my life today. I receive with love and gratitude. As it is desired, so it is. And I bring this ball of intention, this ball of energy. Some people call it chi, prana, ruach. I simply bring it above my head and pull it down over my body as I breathe inward. Feel the vibration of money, of prosperity, of unexpected wealth coming into your life as you breathe in. Oh, it's a wonderful feeling. You're going to love using all three of these methods, and you're going to enjoy how each time you do this, you bring unexpected wealth and money into your life, and it seems to grow. As your belief gets stronger, it seems to grow and grow and grow. You can do this over and over and over again. So speak into your life. Be grateful. Put yourself in a position to receive and take inspired action. After you've done this, don't just go hide in the bedroom and lock the doors. Get out there. Take some inspired action. Put yourself in a position to receive the kind of wealth, the kind of money that you desire. Hey, I want to remind you to visit us at miraclehypnosisonline.com. miraclehypnosisonline.com. We are giving you 7 days free to try one of our programs. Try them all, as a matter of fact. You can try them all. It's a wonderful way of taking control of your subconscious mind. Thank you so much. You have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.